this was a longer course, we'd be reading Vonnegut novels now. Alright, so I want to do an example of find an equation of a plane parallel to z is 2x minus y plus 1, through, and rando point 2, 4, 6.
So we're playing parallel to the plane.
Yeah. Okay, so you have two options for how to do this. How could you do this?
We could do the new formulas, extract this coefficient.
Okay, we could do the new formula way, right? So the new formula way would be to look at this guy and read off the normal vector. So what's the normal vector for this guy?
2, negative 1,
2, negative 1, negative 1?
no, and plus. Is that the
Isn't it
constant?
negative 1 now because the z is negative?
Okay.
Maybe I'd do this. Right, put the z on the other side first, then read the coefficients off. Okay, so I got a normal vector. Now what? So,
Like stuff.
Dot,
so if this is my plane that I'm talking about, right, and this is a normal vector, is that normal vector going to work for a plane parallel to it?
parallel to the one? Parallel to the first
Parallel to the other plane. So if I have another plane out here, right, it's parallel to this one, is this vector also perpendicular to that plane?
Yes.
Oh yeah, definitely, right? Cool? Okay, so what do I do with my normal vector?
Dot product. That's the what you're trying to find.
Okay, so I want to dot product this guy, right? My normal vector. Dot product with what?
2, 4, 6.
The x minus x naught, y minus y naught.
So
Where's
I
x
need
naught, y
x
naught, z
minus-
naught, r,
X
Which is
2.
2. Y minus
4.
4 and z minus 6 equals y equals 0?
Isn't it perpendicular?
Yeah, they're perpendicular, right?
Yeah.
So I'm taking this normal vector again. And I'm taking, okay, I'm going to say I'm going to base that at P naught, right? Then I'm going to make a vector in the plane. That's going to be perpendicular. And that vector is going to go to a point x, y, z. Right? And when I set this equal to 0, I'm forcing that right angle there. You guys all see that? Okay, so what do you get out of this?
2 times x minus 2 minus 1 times y minus 4 minus 1 times z minus 6 equals 0. Good enough?
For sure. If you want it in the same format, what do you got to do? Multiply it out a little bit, solve for z, right? Do I particularly care if you do that?
No.
I trust that you all can do algebra. If that's not true, I don't want to see it. So don't do enough bad algebra to show me that you don't know how to do algebra, okay? I'm going to live in this world where I assume you know algebra.
Ignorance
If you
is
force
bliss.
me to move to a world where you don't know algebra, I will be angry. Cool?
Yeah.
All right. Don't do any more algebra than you have to.